Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone won't turn on after charging for a long time. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to turn on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you easily fix this issue. So guys, basically to fix an iPhone that won't turn on after a long charging, perform a force restart by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, quickly pressing and releasing the volume down button, and then pressing and holding the side or the power button until the Apple logo appears and until your device force restarts. So guys, basically you have to simply force restart your device in this way, and after this you will be able to fix this issue and your device will be turned on. And if you're using iPhone 7 or the previous iPhone, then you have to simply press and hold both the side button and volume down button together for 10 to 20 seconds to force restart your device. So guys, these are the ways which will help you to turn on your Apple device if it is not turning on. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.